Happy Friday, WRCC fans. And as I said, there were two stunning new arrivals at WRCC this week, and this is the second of which, after the Maroon Traveller. This awesome 1969 fully restored Persian Blue pickup, and it's actually an Austin Badged pickup and not a Morris, so it were obviously made in the Austin factory. Now, I don't know whether this video could do how good this truck is justice. It's absolutely beautiful. If there were ever an LCV which I'd like to keep and put in my garage at home, then this one would be it. It's the second time we've had it in at West Riding. The first time we had it, it sold within 24 hours without even having to advertise it, for 22,500, and that's where it'll be advertised this time, and it's worth every penny. It's absolutely immaculate. It's had a body off restoration, and everything about it is just split mint, to be fair. And for the purists out there, as you can see, it's got a car bumper on it because it's chrome, and I know some LCV enthusiasts make a big deal about that. So if you wanted to buy this truck, we'll stick an LCV bumper on it and paint it whichever colour you want. We could paint it silver or black for you, so that'll set your mind at rest. Other than that, it's absolutely clean as a whistle. It's got the sun visor on it, which is a steel one, it's not fiberglass. It's got a canvas tonneau cover, which everybody likes. The underside of the chassis and everything, I can go. I'll get down on my knees in a sec. But as you can see, the underside of it, the chassis, etc., we can put it on a ramp and you can have a look. You could absolutely eat your dinner off it as well. It's in keeping with the rest of the truck. We'll have a look on the inside. So, no bubbles or anything on the doors as you'd expect. The paintwork's absolutely gleaming and immaculate, as you can see. I don't know whether I can get across how much I love this truck. It's got the gauges, so oil pressure, water temperature. It's got one of those high quality cardboard WRCC footwell mats in to keep the carpet good. But the door reveals nice and clean. Well, absolutely perfect. Obviously the door cards, the doors, absolutely perfect. Interior of the seats, absolutely perfect. Put the seat forward. So the bulkhead, the cab back, all absolutely perfect. It's hard to find a fault with it, to be totally honest with you. Showing 4,907 miles, which you would expect is 4,907 miles since it was restored or rebuilt. We'll get it running for you. It runs like a dream. Absolute pleasure to drive. It's done the old WRCC bumpy road test up there, no problem. So, mind my finger there. So the engine bay is absolutely immaculate. Obviously show standard, as is the rest of the truck. Inner wings, flitches, tie plates, bulkhead, everything. Wiring looms all mint as well. Obviously that's been replaced when it's been restored. It's got the battery cut off on there as well. It hasn't got any brake upgrades on it, so I suppose that's one way you could improve it if you wanted to do. I'll have a look and show you in the back body. Try not to trap my fingers on those snap pins. But as you can see, the back body is absolutely perfect as well. Those wheel tubs, not battered or bruised or anything. The cab back, as you can see, it's all straight as a die. The whole inside of the inner body is all absolutely mint as well. It is top money for any Morris Minor, let alone an LCV. I mean, at 22.5 grand, it's not cheap. But to be honest with you, if it wasn't for having minor after minor after minor, I would pay £22,500 for this truck myself personally. without even thinking about it and stick it as part of my collection. It's absolutely beauty. So, as always, for further details, give WRCC Yorkshire Minor Centre a call on 01422881221. Wait for this train to go past. Visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk or send an email at inquiries.co.uk. And as I say, this sold within 24 hours last time we had it, and I have no reason not to believe that it will sell just as quick this time. I mean, where do you get a perfect Persian Blue minor pickup like this? Austin minor, not a Morris minor. So I'll see you soon, guys, and have a good weekend.